Hello, everyone. My name is Keith Jackson, and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. This is our second video in a series of 8 videos related to the study of scientific notation. And you may be asking, well, what is scientific notation? And here it is. Scientific notation is an efficient way of using the powers of 10 to represent large and small numbers. And so we have two examples, one representing a large number and the other representing a small number. And let's go to the very large number, for example, in which we have 84 million. And the question is, how do you write 84 million in terms of scientific notation? Well, here's what you have to do. You have to move the decimal to a place between 1 and 10. And so what we're going to do, we're going to start at the far right of this number, and we're going to move the decimal place over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we stop right here simply because 8.4 is between 1 and 10. 8.4 is greater than 1, but it is less than 10. And we're going to use 8.4. We'll put it right here. 8.4 times 10 raised to the 7th power. Well, why to the 7th power? Because we had to move the decimal point 7 places over to the left to get to 8.4. And that's what that number is represented as far as scientific notation is concerned. Now let's go to a very small number in which we have 5,600 thousandths. Yes, I said it, and I'll say it again. 5,600 thousandths, a very tiny number. And how are we going to write that in scientific notation? And we're going to do the same thing as we did with the very large number, 84 million. We're just going to move the decimal to a place between 1 and 10. And this time we're going to move it over to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we move the decimal point 4 places over to the right to get to 5.6. And the reason being is that 5.6 is greater than 1, but less than 10. In other words, it is between 1 and 10. And we're going to use 5.6 in our final expression of this very small number. And then you ask, well, why is it 10 raised to the negative 4th power? Simply because we had to move the decimal point 4 places over to the right to make that happen. And so for our very small number, we have 5.6 times 10 to the negative 4. And for a very large number, we have 8.4 times 10 raised to the 7th power. So I'm going to repeat those again. Our very large number for 84 million is the same as saying 8.4 times 10 raised to the 7th power, while our very small number is 5.6 times 10 raised to the negative 4th power. All right, you have been given a lot of information. Now, I wouldn't blame you if you need to pause this video and give it a good once over, or replay this video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of the concept of scientific notation. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and have a great day.